This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing the technical analysis for gold US dollar currency pairs. Let us analyze the current trend of the price action and find out the present support and resistance level for Monday's trading. When we look at the economic calendar, we have low impacting news planned for euro currency pairs, Swiss franc currency pairs, and Canadian dollar currency pairs. We have bank holiday for US dollar currency pairs and medium impacting news planned for US dollar currency pairs at 8:30 p.m. Let us begin our analysis. So I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action from this level, it went on a bullish trend and currently it has retraced to the level where it started its bullish trend. So overall the price action has not gone anywhere. It went on a bullish trend and it retraced to the level where it started its bullish trend. So currently the price action is in a sideways. It has not made new lows or it has not made new highs. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, I have drawn a support line over here. So price action is trading above this support line. So still the price action in daily time frame is in a bullish trend. It has momentarily broken this support line, but the overall body has closed above this support line. So still the bearish trend has not started in daily time frame. Only when the candles close below this support line, we can consider it as a bearish trend reversal in daily time frame. To understand the current price action, I am using the Fibonacci's retracement tool. And looking at the current price action, it has retraced to the level where it started its bullish trend and has bounced back from this support level of 1780. Currently the price action is taking support around the level of 78.60% in the Fibonacci's retracement tool. And if the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1890. And when we ask the question whether the bullish trend has started in daily time frame, currently it has tested the 78.60% level in Fibonacci's retracement level. This level is also considered as one of the valid resistance levels in Fibonacci's retracement tool. But if the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to take resistance at the resistance level of 61.80% in Fibonacci's retracement level. And this whole area between 50% and 61.80% has acted as a very strong resistance zone in the past. So we have seen price action to come and test this support level of 1890, then to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. And while on the bearish trend also, we have noticed a price action to test this resistance level and to continue its bearish trend. So this whole area is a very strong resistance and support level. When we look at the price action on the left side also, this level is the neck level of the double bottom pattern which we had analyzed in the past price action. So currently the price action is trading below this neck level. So if the price action needs to start its bullish trend reversal, it has to break this neck level to continue further. And when we look at the current trend of the price action, it was on a downtrend, took support at the 78.60% support level, then retraced on the bullish trend, again bounced back on the bearish trend reversal, and it has completed its 100% retracement. Currently it went on a bounce back on the bullish side, and when we notice the price action, it has broken the previous resistance level of 1841 and it is trading above this resistance level, which means that bearish trend has been cancelled for now. If the bearish trend needs to continue, it has to break the previous low of 1780 in order to fall further on the bearish side. And when we draw a trend line or the resistance line, we can notice that the price action is on a retracement to retest on this resistance line. But we have a higher time frame resistance level between 1923 to 1890. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level on the trend line, it will be a bullish trend reversal in daily time frame. Otherwise, we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support line until we get a proper directional momentum in daily time frame. So these are all going to be the current resistance and support levels in daily time frame. Currently the price action is trading between this resistance level of 1890 and support level of 1836. This is a daily time frame resistance and support levels. In lower time frame we can expect a multiple trends or multiple resistance and support levels. Currently the price action is under consolidation or trading on a sideways in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. Drawing a channel pattern to understand the current direction of the price action. And from this price action we can understand that previously the price action was in a very strong bullish trend and it has found a very strong resistance level around the price level of 1869, and currently the price action is in a sideways momentum. But still it is trading within a bullish channel pattern. Wait for the price action to bounce back from this support line in order to take a bullish side trades, or wait for it to break this trend line in order to take trade on a bearish side. On the bearish side we have the next level of support which is going to be around 1836, and if the price action goes on the bullish side, next level of resistance is going to be around 1869 from the daily time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance level, it will be the continuation of this bullish channel pattern, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1890. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in green color boxes are the resistance and support levels in hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here in 30 minutes time frame I have drawn a midline of the bullish channel pattern, and when we look at the price action, it was on a very nice bullish trend, retesting on this resistance line several times, and it couldn't manage to break the resistance level of 1869, and we have noticed a bearish retracement from this resistance level. Currently it is taking support on this support line from the bullish channel pattern. If the price action breaks this support line of the bullish channel pattern, this bullish channel pattern will become invalid, in which case we can expect the price action to trade between this support level of 1836 and the resistance level of 1869. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame. When we analyze a price action in 5 minutes time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line. When we analyze the price action based on this trend line, it has clearly broken this support line, and the trend line is acting as a resistance line for the present price action. We can draw one more trend line or the resistance line for the current price action. So as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, it will be a bearish trend, and we can expect it to take support on this bullish channel pattern support line. And if the price action breaks this support line, next level of support is going to be the higher time frame support level of 1836, and if the price action breaks this resistance line, it will be a bullish side trade, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1869 from the higher time frame. So wait for the price action to give a bearish side breakout or on the bullish side breakout for a directional trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating within this resistance and support levels. Wait for it to give a directional breakout. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.